Welcome to Geographic Definitions. Today we'll be defining antimeridian. Antimeridian is the line of longitude directly opposite the prime meridian. First, latitude lines signify your north-south positions, while longitude lines signify your east-west positions. Detouring to Christianity, the Bible is full of many inspiring verses. One of my favorite verses is from the book of Psalms, chapter 103, verses 11 to 12. For as the heavens are high above the earth, so great is his mercy towards those who fear him. As far as the east is from the west, so far he has removed our transgressions from us. Amazing verse highlighting the mercy and forgiveness of God. But why do they say as far as the east is from the west, and not as far as the south is from the north? Let's find out. We'll start with as far as the south is from the north, and see what that would imply. To signify the divide between the north and south poles, we'll draw this longitudinal line dividing the two. Now, as we follow the arrow's journey south, you'll quickly notice you start heading north the moment you pass the south pole. So if I say, so as far as the south is from the north, you actually get closer north the more south you go. If we change our view of Earth to be looking straight down from the Arctic Circle, we can compare the journey east. Here you'll notice that no matter how far and fast you head east, you will always be heading east and never be heading west. Thus, to say, as far as the east is from the west, means they will never meet. If we cut the Earth in half horizontally along the equator, you'll get two hemispheres, north and south. If we further cut these hemispheres in half vertically, you'll get the western and eastern hemispheres. This is a really easy way to separate the countries. For example, the United States of America, that's in the northwest hemisphere. Mongolia, that's in the northeast hemisphere. Argentina, that's in the southwest hemisphere. And New Zealand, that's in the southeast hemisphere. These metaphorical four corners of the Earth are separated horizontally once by the equator, north and south, and twice vertically by the prime meridian that cuts through Europe and Africa, and the antimeridian which cuts through the tips of Canada and Russia. The reason there are two lines that signify longitude is because, as we covered with our example from the book of Psalms, if you keep heading south, you'll eventually head north. Likewise, if you keep following the prime meridian, eventually you'll reach the antimeridian, and on the cycle continues. Thus, antimeridian is the line of longitude directly opposite the prime meridian. Thank you for watching. Please support the channel by subscribing, leaving a comment and liking the video. If you're interested in these resources, please visit my test store, link in the description.